Guys, here's Matthias. Yeah, hopefully we have a nice and cool webinar tonight about support and resistance, and I'm really excited about this topic.
Yes, yes, this is the basic of all trading,
And,
Matthias.
and for all of you, please don't hesitate to ask all your questions you have in the chat box. So yeah, do it intensively. We will have an eye on it, and then of course we will answer you as soon as possible.
Yes, I hope, yes, as soon as possible. So don't hesitate to ask your questions. Yeah, the first question is the sound okay? Can everyone hear us? So I would appreciate if you can type in the chat window that everything is okay from the sound. Yeah, sound is okay. Very good. Thanks, Christos. Good. So before we start with the webinar, unfortunately, I have to also, show the risk disclaimer that we don't take any liability in this webinar regarding using of trading signals, market analysis generated by us. So, okay, let's start with the topic of this webinar, trading support and resistance. Of course, really thankful to our partner, XM. Who doesn't know, is the broker is a broker located on Cyprus, regulated by ESMA, so European Union regulated. And this webinar is also part with XM and Tradimo together. Good. So I think you're very excited, yes,
Yes,
Matthias, or not?
I love to trade support and resistance, and I think it is the most powerful thing to know for beginners and even for advanced traders.
Yes. You know what? To be honest, you're absolutely right. Because when I started to trade, I started also with support. No, my mentor told me at first you have to draw the support and resistance lines on the chart, and then you can start to trade.
Yes.
But till today, after 20 years, I still use this tool every day.
Yeah, most of the traders and even the institutional traders are using support and resistance to know where the prices is.
Yes.
Yeah, it's moving more on or not.
Okay, so let's go to the agenda or the content. At first, we will show, yes, at first, finding the resistance levels, and second, finding the support levels. So there are two methods where a trading general working for is the first method is place your long trades on the support level and your short trades on the resistance level. Absolutely logical. And the second is place your trades when the price breaks a support or resistance level. It makes sense, I think, Matthias. Huh?
It makes absolutely sense. Yeah, you can use support and resistance, and we will see this later on. Even as yeah, either as entry for a long or a short, and this is valid for resistance and for support levels. And we will see some examples. Very cool.
Yes, yes. On the next page, I put also a screen in there. Don't ask me which markets. I think no, it's the Aussie dollar. Yeah, this is Aussie dollar. I think the move.
Oh, yeah, I think
I think yes, Aussie dollar.
make it a little bit bigger than, yeah, Aussie dollar. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Okay, good. The first step, what we have to do is, of course, finding the resistance levels. Place a line on the chart and move it down the first resistance level that you find. So you can see it here on the chart screen. And yeah, the first point is line drawn at top of chart that you will move down. So you can see it by number 1, yellow marked. And the second is price level that you will move the line down to. And then on the green shaded area just shows is identifies the first resistance levels. Very simple. So you can see this.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
this is the beauty of support and resistance. It is very, very simple. And maybe as a little tip, as a suggestion to you, I think it's a good recommendation to say may it's better to make less than more. So only the lines that jumping into your eyes, these are the levels are important. So don't make too lot lines, only the important ones.
Yes, only the important ones. Because you know what? I can tell you a story about a client. He wrote so many lines on his graphics or on his charting system. it looked by the end like a Christmas tree,
I
lightening up
can
really.
imagine.
The only thing that I missed was below the table the presents for me, but but I didn't wonder that he wasn't able to find the right levels to entry or to exit. No, he didn't find any level to go in the market. He was
Mhm.
absolutely confused. And you're absolutely right. It is absolutely important not to show on the screen as a Christmas tree in the best light.
Yes. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, the next one is place a second line on the chart and move it down below the current line you already have on the chart until you find the next resistance level as the following chart shows. Yeah. So in the line 4, you can see the green shaded area highlights the second resistance level. After line drawn at the top of the chart that you will move down, and second, the first resistance line that you have drawn, and third, price level where you will move your line down to. So the fourth shows then the green shaded area highlighted second resistance levels.
Correct. Yeah.
Looks very simple as well.
It is very, very simple, and you don't need any further or additional indicators. Just your brain, and this is the beauty of trading to support and resistance, in my opinion.
I see in the chat screen here, Christos is just asking us, that's okay, but on what time frame should we draw them and how many candles should we look back?
Um, Maybe I can say so. Of course, you don't have to look at the minute chart if you're trading a daily chart. But if you trade on a minute chart or an hourly chart, then it is suggested to have a look at the two higher time frames. So if you trade on an hourly chart, then check the 4 hourly chart and the daily chart. If you're trading a daily chart, then check the weekly and maybe even the monthly chart. And regarding the periods, this is, yeah, a difficult question, I would say, but I would suggest to take a lot of candles. So zoom out a lot, not only having, let's say, 30 or 50 candles on the chart. So let's say at least 100, maybe 150 candles on a chart. This is, I think, a general recommendation.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Matthias. I think Christos is just typing. Ah, yes, he said thanks, and that was all for him, I think. Okay, good. So the question from him is answered. Very
Cool.
good. Good. So let's come to the yeah, I think last page for finding resistance levels. Continue to place resistance levels on your chart until you reach the current market price. So that means the first line drawn at the top of the chart that you will move down. Second, first resistance line. You can see it as a marked yellow, the second one. The third is second resistance line. And the fourth, price level you have moved the line down to. And five, yes, the green shaded area shows the third resistance levels at all. Also very simple.
Yeah.
So by the end, you got 3 resistance levels. It's
Hmm.
very, very interesting. Yes,
Mhm.
very, very interesting. Good. So that was the last page, I would say, regarding the finding of resistance levels. So then we come to the second chapter. This is, yeah, finding the support levels. So this is, by the end, it's the opposite, of course.
Yeah.
So work your way up from the bottom and place support. That means place a line on the chart and move it up to the first support level that you find. The first line drawn at the bottom of the chart that you will move up. Second, first support level where the line has been moved up to. And third, the red shaded areas shows the first support level. I hope everyone can see this.
Yeah,
You can see this, Matthias? Yes, okay.
it's pretty clear for me. Yeah.
Okay, very good. So then we have got the support level. And on the following page, place another line on the chart and move it up to the next support level. So that means first new line drawn that you will move up. Second, first support line. You will see this on the chart. Third, second support level where you move the new line to. And four, yeah, the red shaded area shows the second support level. So very interesting.
Yeah, and again, it is simple.
Yeah, absolute simple.
And I would say so maybe yeah, it's just my opinion, but I would say you can draw a further line up to 1.02, I would say. So you can
Hmm.
see two swing lows. I think this could also be an interesting level for the support.
Yes, absolute. I wanted to also let you know that regarding these, I would say, topics, support and resistance, this is only a little part of the, I would say, the whole chapter of support and resistance at Tradimo. Yeah,
Yes,
because the
absolutely.
whole chapter shows also really the details, entries, and exit. And if you would become as a premium member at Tradimo, you will get the full access to this chapter, of course.
Absolutely right. And I have posted two courses. So this, of course, yeah, as a little teaser, one of these courses are for free, and the other one is included in the premium service and a lot more. So if you become a premium member, then you have courses worth of $600 or so, and yeah, it's worth it. Trust me.
Yes. I will put also a link, the advantages to show the people the advantage to become a premium member. And second, if you feel ready to trade, but not with real money, you are able, for example, to open an at XM, yes, a demo access, and then you can draw your support and resistance levels on the chart because every also on the demo access, the prices and the charting system is real time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's come, of course, here to the last page here regarding the support lines. Continue to place support levels until you reach the current market price. That means first, new line at the bottom that you will move up to a new resistance levels. You can see this here on the chart. Second, first support line. Third, second support line. You can see that also everything is marked in the chart as yellow. And four, third support level that you will move the line to. And 5 and 6, they are both the same, shows red shaded areas, the third support level.
Interesting.
Yeah, absolutely interesting. Yeah, so you see by the end, it is very, very simple. Let me find out the access for the XM demo account, and then you can open, for example, a demo account at XM, and just draw on the line charts. Sorry, in the charts, of course, your support and resistance levels, and you can earn and see how the market move after you have drawn the your lines, I would say. So let me see. Let
And
me
this is,
see.
I can maybe yeah say in the meanwhile. So one of the projects, the Nano Diploma Forex, and I think also in the stocks Nano Diploma, is a project where you have to draw support and resistance line, and of course you get valuable feedback to know what you have done right and what not.
Okay. I think Matthias really that was a really small or just a part of the chapter what we offer here on the Tradium Premium side. So we came to the end. Really, it was very yeah. We wanted to show you in a very very simple way how to trade at first on the basic levels. Yes, the support and resistance levels, and it is really the basic of
Hmm.
charting trading systems or charting trading analysis. But for all attendees, you can contact us anytime here under the following email address. Yeah, if you have got questions or if you have got ideas, and we would be every time available for you. So
Hmm.
Matthias and myself. And I put also the link where you can, for example, open a demo account, or if you feel ready to open a real trading account.
And what we have told you in this webinar, it was really a tiny piece of support and resistance. And in the courses I have posted, and of course, as a premium member, you will get all the secrets about how to enter the market, where to set a stop loss, where's to take profit, and so on. So the entire strategy is taught in the Nano Diploma.
Do you use for your real trading? We have got, of course, our real trading account at Tradimo.
Yeah.
Do you use also support and resistance levels for your
Yes.
trading?
Yes.
Okay. And your performance in the last 12 months?
Yeah, it was about 20, 30%.
30%. Can you imagine? It's for all attendees, of course. And you're giving the trading signals as well, yeah?
Yes, yes,
But with
absolutely
the,
right.
yeah, but
And some of the trades we are doing are based on support and resistance, of course.
support and resistance, yeah, very, very good. Yes. So that means, but the only condition is to become a premium member, and then you will get the trading signals from your side every time, real time. Yes.
Absolutely right.
Yeah, sounds great. So yes, now you have got the opportunity to write in the chat screen your questions if you have got. If not, and after the webinars, if you have got questions, you can contact us anytime on the email address what we have shown here, support@tradimo.com. And in the next, I think till to the end of June, we have got different topics regarding for the webinars. Yeah, going more in trading analysis and details. I think the next one will be trading and gaps. I think
Oh,
next
cool,
week.
cool. Yeah, very cool.
Trading and gaps, and then you got the hunter strategy.
The 50-minute trend hunter strategy. Yeah,
And what was the other one?
and the 10 candle breakout, I guess.
The what? Sorry?
10 candle breakouts.
Yes, correct. Yes, the
Very
candle breakout.
specific strategies.
So it counts to attend to our webinars and to go more deeper in the trading and get the opportunity to higher up your profits.
Perfect.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I told you this webinar is recorded, so everyone would have the chance also later tomorrow to watch this once again. And for all attendees who didn't have the opportunity to attend, I will send you an email and keep you updated. Okay, very good, Matthias.
Perfect.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, what's a pleasure again.
Okay, thank you, Matthias. I wish you a nice evening then.
I wish you and all the other guys a nice evening as well.
Okay, thanks. Bye.